Welcome to Computer Systems and Methods. We're looking at a Panasonic CF31 fully rugged computer. This is from the Panasonic rugged computer line. You may be familiar with the predecessor of this, the CF30 or maybe the CF29. These computers, the latest rating on these, or the latest testing on these are tested, shock tested to a 6-foot drop over concrete covered by a 1/2 inch of plywood. This is vibration resistant, it's heat and cold resistant. The hard drive is a built-in heater, so if it's left in a vehicle overnight in a very cold evening like last night, when you turn it on, it'll heat up the hard drive before the hard drive spins up to prevent damage. All the ports on this are sealed. All the side ports have a little rubber gasket that seals them, so when they're closed, they're completely water sealed. The back ports also are the same way. The screen on this is a daylight readable screen. It's also a touch screen, so you can launch applications directly from using your finger. There is a stylus also on here, which integrates into the handle here, so it stores very nicely so you don't lose it. This keyboard is the emissive backlit keyboard. There's two different backlit keyboard options available on this. This is the emissive keyboard. It's like a hard keyboard type of thing. There's also a rubberized keyboard, where if the concern is to be able to sanitize the computer, the rubber keyboard allows you to scrub the keyboard and clean it really well. This computer is available with virtually every wireless option you would ever want. You can get Wi-Fi, or it comes standard with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can get wireless broadband. It uses a Qualcomm Gobi chipset, which allows you to change carriers or basically program the wireless adapter for the carrier you're using, so you can change carriers without changing the hardware in the computer. It also has GPS capability, so it can you can use it for trip navigation or to track the computer through the internet when it's connected with the GPS. The case on this is a magnesium alloy, very tough case, very difficult to damage. You can see it's a favorite of tigers everywhere. This one's chewing up a CF30 in there. This has an integrated handle in the front. If someone decides to use the handle and steal the computer from you, you can get it with CompuTrace, which is a recovery capability. There's a little sticker on the bottom here. In the BIOS is the CompuTrace capability. What that'll do is, if the computer is stolen, if you report it stolen, it will either remotely wipe all the data off the computer, or you can have it track where the computer is, so you can retrieve it through the police. Again, if you're in the market for a rugged computer, fully rugged computer for vehicle mounting, this is a great solution for you.